Hello guys, in this episode we will learn how to make a splash screen similar to this one. So splash screen appears for a little time and after that our main activity is launched. So create a new Android Studio project. First create a new activity, right click on package name, new activity, then select empty activity. Name it as splash activity and then click on finish. First we will design the GUI for our splash activity. Go to activity splash.xml. First we will copy our logo inside our Android project. So copy this logo image and go to Android Studio. Click on resource, right click on drawable and paste. Select resource drawable, then click OK and then OK. Now drag a image view in our activity layout and select our logo and click on OK. Now change the width and height of this image view to 96 dp. Now define constraint for this image view. Set the vertical bias of this image view. Now click on widgets and drag a progress bar in our activity layout and set the constraint for this progress bar and set the vertical bias. Now drag a text view in our activity layout. Define constraint for this text view and set the vertical bias. Now go to split section. Here define the background for constraint layout. Now change the color of the progress bar using indeterminate tint. Now set the text property for this text view. First change the text of this text view. Now set the text style to bold, text size to 26 dp and then text color to white. Now go to design. So our design is ready. Now go to activity main.xml and drag a text view in our activity layout. Define constraint for this text view. Go to split section and change the text of this text view to main activity. Now set the text color of this text view and set the text size to 26 dp and text style to bold. Now go to splash activity.java. Now we want to display the splash screen for a few seconds before it automatically disappears and loads the main activity. So we have to create a thread in Android. We will use the handler class for creating a thread. New handler dot post delete new runnable. It overrides the run method. Here define a time in millisecond. Now inside the run method, create an intent object. Intent I equal to new intent. Pass the context splash activity dot this and then pass our main activity class. Now start activity and pass the intent object I and call the finish method. Now we will define the custom theme for our splash screen. Go to resource and click on values, then click on styles.xml. Here we will define custom theme for our splash activity. Style name and name it as my theme. Parent and apply no action bar theme. Here write item name window translucent status equal to true and set the status bar color. But this style works on the API version greater than 21. So for the API version 21 and less than 21, we have to create another style folder. So right click on values, new value resource file, name it as a style, and from here click on version, then double click on arrow and here write our API version, then click on OK. Now copy the base application theme from the style folder. Copy the base application theme and paste that inside our v21 style.xml. Now define a custom theme for our splash activity. Style name as my theme. And use the no action bar theme. Here write Windows dot system bar background true and use the status bar color. Now at last define this custom theme for the splash activity inside the manifest folder. Go to manifest.xml and in splash activity apply our custom theme. Now at last we have to make the splash activity into our launcher activity. So copy that launcher code and cut that code and paste inside our splash activity. So our coding is finished. Now we can test our application. So as you can see that a splash screen appears for a little time and after that main activity is launched. I hope you will understand this concept. Please subscribe my channel for getting more Android tutorial updates.